Due to the threat brought by COVID-19 pandemic, our educational system shifted to distance learning. Maragondon National High School adheres to the mandates and provisions of the SDO Cavite province to ensure continuous learning even during the public health crisis. Print modular distance learning is the most preferred learning modality in MNHS, and assessing learning outcomes is considered one of the challenges in this mode of learning. Some of the factors that may have contributed to lower learning outcomes include low turned-in outputs, poor rapport and communication, lack of motivation and commitment, minimal or no parental participation, and others. Subsequently, the researchers had come up with a 5-point strategic approach which was named after the school head of MNHS, Mrs. Rosalia B. Anacay, who is also known for her nickname Sally. S for specificity is the key. A for assessment tasks and outputs in general should be sprinkled with reward stickers and emojis. L for learners and parents must be involved in the process. Another L for love to teach, teach to love. And Y for yes to green ball pen when checking students' outputs. The participants to this action research were the teachers and learners of grade 9 level at Maragondon National High School. This was based on the data harvested from the monitoring tool of turned-in outputs last December 2020. Then the grade consolidation tool for the first quarter was accomplished without the implementation of SALI approach. The second quarter commenced with the teachers applying the 5-point strategic SALI approach in all subjects. The general weighted average in all learning areas before and after the SALI approach implementation were compared. It was found out that the computed general weighted average in all learning areas before the SALI approach implementation was 80.72, categorized as satisfactory. After the implementation, the computed GWA was 82.13, still under satisfactory level. However, there was quite significant difference in the general weighted average for quarter 1 and quarter 2, since the computed T, 7.287, was greater than the critical t-value, 1.649. This signified an improvement in the quarterly grades of the participants after the SALI approach implementation as shown in the table. Though the academic performance level of the G9 learners didn't improve that much, it was found out that there was a marked increase in the percentage of turned-in outputs in all learning areas. However, it was observed that 146 or 41.71% of G9 learners were struggling readers. Consequently, their scores only reached 75 to 79 or fairly satisfactory level, which the researchers believed might contribute to the results. Together with the SALI approach implementation, a comprehensive reading program designed during the pandemic situation must be implemented to help the students accelerate their learning. With all these, the use of 5-point strategic SALI approach to the new normal situation might really boost the academic performance of G7 to G10 learners, but with modifications suited to the needs, interests and experiences of all types of learners.